guys, so all my half square triangle blocks have been separated and I pressed all of my seams open because I just really like my seams pressed open. It helps with eliminating bulk when I'm quilting later. But I wanted to show you how to square them up if you didn't know how to square them up already. And so all of these blocks are for the mini 18-inch square or the 18-inch square pillow. And you'll do the exact same thing that I'm about to show you with the option A or option B large size quilts. You're just going to square your blocks up to 9.5 inches square instead of the 2.5 inches square that we're going to be doing in this demonstration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to line it up with the bottom and left edge with my 2.5 inch guides on my ruler right here. And if you can see right here, this diagonal line, this 45-degree angle that runs through my ruler, this needs to be lined up with the diagonal of my half square triangle block. Otherwise, it's going to be really wonky. And it won't, the points won't line up right on the pattern. So just make sure that whenever you're squaring them up, you don't have it over like this. Do you see how the diagonal's off? The 45-degree angle is off of the diagonal. Just make sure that you have that 45-degree angle lined up with the diagonal of your half square triangle block. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim away the excess. And then I'm going to flip my little block around and trim those dog ears off too. And that's it. It's really pretty simple. So you just need to go through your little stack of half square triangles and then square them up to 2.5 inches square. And then you can start assembling your pattern.